For the third video in the calendar setup, we're going to show you how to start bringing your images in and the proper way to size them. So now you're ready that you've made your events, you've made your grid, you've done the initial setup, you're ready to start putting pictures into your calendar. We're going to put in January's and February's picture. So the first thing I want to do is just kind of delete these so I can, they're not going to show up. I know I haven't had February, but we'll just pretend that it's there. And you want to lock your grid and get on your images folder so you can start placing images in here. And next thing you want to do is look for some images that you're going to want to use. I'm going to do a seasonal example, so I'll just look for snow. Remember, when you search, you want to search for large images. It's probably better to find landscape photos, just because it's going to work better for your sizing and things. So this looks kind of cool. I'm going to go with this. I'll get the full image, so you want to click on View Image if it doesn't take 10 hours. Okay, that's fine. I'll save this. And I want to find a place where I'm going to save all of those image files. So make a folder for them. You can call them month images and start saving them in there. This is going to be January. Okay. And now let's open this, but we'll open in Photoshop. So I'll go to Photoshop, let that load up. Okay, we'll open it. I called that month images. There it is. Pull up January. Cool. Now I'm limited to my size, so I want to get the crop tool and I want to change some information. I want to have 8 for my width, 5 for my height, 300 for my resolution. You will need to move and adjust your picture accordingly. If you decide, you don't want all this, you want some of it, you're going to have to adjust in your crop window. Hit the check mark button. Maybe you decide you want to go with a certain style to it. You could do a filter effect. You could do some adjustments from here. Maybe I'll do like a little photo filter on here. Since it's January, maybe I'll do a cooling filter. Okay. Now I save this again, and I'm ready to put it into InDesign. This is January. I will place it in. Command D is the shortcut for that. There it is. Boom. And I can place it in. Now you're going to want to label this. You can do that in Photoshop too, or you can do it here. I'm going to do like a little text here, January. And you want to take some time to make it look nice. I'm doing this quickly so that you can kind of just get the idea of what you're supposed to be doing. Maybe I'll go back to my Avenir font. Seems pretty reliable. So I'll go, where are we at? Let's get the bold one. Let's make it 72. Okay. Figure out where you want your font to go. I don't want it that big. Let's go like 50 points. It's definitely going to look good in white. Something else that might be cool is if you still want to show up this photo through this, you can lower the opacity and have it like kind of see-through. I'll make it like 60%. And then it's very subdued or subtle. And you can pick where you think the best spot for that is. Maybe down here. You could even do some things like drop shadow. So you can see it a little bit better. And so that's the next step, just starting to plug in all of your different month pictures. Remember here you got your filler page, your title page, your front cover, which is going to be a little bit more stuff that you're going to be working with. Down on the bottom will be all of your pictures, so you're going to want to find a nice way to arrange 12 photos. So once you have all of your photos finished, they'll be placed down here, not as large, like 3 or 4 across. And just find a nice way to kind of arrange those. I can make the size a little bit bigger here. And then you'll have all your 12 pictures on the back, which would be kind of cool. So that's the entire calendar setup that you're going to need to know from me. The rest of the design work and creation is going to be up to you. Should be a pretty fun project. Excited to see what your results will be. Good luck.